Hey, what's going on guys? It's Eric here and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It is super beautiful outside and I'm gonna go catch some rays right after this video. But before, we needed to update you guys on SafeMoon and let you know what has happened over the last 24 hours to keep you up to date with SafeMoon. Now, just before we start, there's actually a fun story I want to share with you guys. I actually got my brother and a friend to invest in SafeMoon today, and this is absolutely crazy because now we see that SafeMoon directly, it's literally still expanding. We see 2.14 million people, and now I have people reaching out to me asking me how to invest. I had to teach my brother and my friend to literally how to go from BNB to BSC to PancakeSwap and then to SafeMoon. So that's all done about 20 minutes or so. They have their SafeMoon, and I basically made 2 new holders of SafeMoon, and it's absolutely crazy. And we also, because of them, we also got more tokens in our wallets. So I guess I technically kinda, paid you guys in a way, shape, or form. So you are welcome. No, in all joking aside, guys, this is basically phenomenal because we are seeing that more and more people are talking about SafeMoon. We know that Dave Portnoy invested in SafeMoon yesterday, so SafeMoon is still growing. So if we jump onto the website here, we have 2.14 million holders. If we go to BSC scan, 2.144 million holders. It keeps on growing. I mean, weren't we just at 2 million a few days ago? We've gained 144,000 people in what, 2 or 3 days? It's just absolutely crazy. It keeps on growing every single day, and we see that the price is around a bunch of zeros, 758. So I'm going to stop saying 0.00000 because there's a lot of zeros obviously in front of it. So I'm just going to say 7.5 or 9.5 or whatever the case may be, just so it's kind of easier for you guys to follow along here. But we have a market cap of 4.4 billion, and if we scroll down to look at the total tokens burnt, we have a total amount of about 415.6 trillion tokens. So again, these holders, guys, only account for the PancakeSwap users. They don't account for the people holding on these different exchanges, so the number is probably a bit higher. So what I want to go over now is a bit of a chart analysis and show you guys where we are trending and what is happening with SafeMoon in terms of price for the last day or so. So obviously we had this live AMA. We know that it wasn't up to our standards. We wanted a lot more information, and we got a sneak peek of what Operation Phoenix is with the Gambia, and we've talked about that. And now we had some people selling off here over the last days or so. We kind of hit a bottom here around May 16th, which was right here around that 556 or so, or 559, and now we have been climbing slowly back up here around the 7.5 or so. So if we just take a look and go back to the previous days of SafeMoon, back on April 20th, 21st, when we had this massive run here, we are essentially in that range, and we're literally in a very healthy situation in my opinion for SafeMoon. These highs here were when they did the migration from V1 to V2 for PancakeSwap, and then right now, we're sitting really pretty on SafeMoon if you're asking me. Very healthy. This dip on because of the live AMA was bought up as we had predicted. We have some support around the 5.5, and right now we're just trading around the 7.5, and in my opinion this thing is just going to continue trading within this range of probably the 5.5 to 9.1, which is the 2 lines I have on this graph here. And in my opinion, if that continues to trend in these lines for the next week or so, or the next 2 weeks, it's no problem for me. I am definitely holding on to my shares or my tokens, and I'm not planning on selling anytime soon. And again, guys, this is never financial advice. So if we go ahead and give you guys more levels to look at for SafeMoon, I'm not going to use this level here for the top just because that was when we had the migration from V1 and V2, so that doesn't actually represent the price correctly. So I'm going to use the previous high, which was on April 20th or so, and I'm going to use the low on May 2nd, which was around 2.4. So if we draw the fibs here, and it shows us very well the levels where we are right now, and it kind of adheres to this level of support which we are seeing. If I put this bigger for you guys to see, and if I move this out of the way, move this like that, this is what we're seeing right now for SafeMoon. So we are above this golden ratio of that 0.618. As we know, this golden ratio is very good. If we break below it, as we have in the past here, we kind of see that it has a bearish trend to it. As soon as we go below it, it kind of wants to continue going below, as it is a very key level of support. We do see that we have found support previously here on this line where I've indicated around the 5.5, and we bounced all the way back above this golden ratio of around 6.6, and right now we are trading around this range, which is going to be the next resistance around the 7.7, and we have support on the 6.6. So right now we are around 7.5, and this is very healthy in my opinion. We are just, if we continue consolidating in this range and it kind of just slowly but surely stays in this range, breaks this level of resistance, and then break this all-time high here, that is going to be very good for SafeMoon. But again, this is very good in my opinion. We were obviously definitely overextended in this previous run here. That was absolutely crazy. Just look at the candles. They are literally going parabolic here, and it came crashing back down, and now during this initial, or during the second run here, we are slowly going up, consolidating in these levels and coming back down to test support. And as we test support, we establish new lows, but they are higher lows. As we've seen on May 2nd, we had a low around 2.6, and now just recently we had a low around 5.5. So in my opinion, we are still making higher lows as we are moving on with SafeMoon here, and this is a very good healthy chart in my opinion. Obviously, just looking at this one here, this was not healthy at all. Yes, it was a lot of hype. A lot of people were talking about SafeMoon. SafeMoon was going up like crazy and people were making a lot of money. But right now, even though if you're not making, let's say, hundreds of thousands of dollars every day, or for these people like me that are only invested about $250, you're not making like $50 a day, you are wondering what's happening with SafeMoon. But guys, this is healthy in my opinion, and this is what we want to see. We do not want to see these moves in a matter of seconds. We want to see a steady uptrend for SafeMoon. So that is what's going on for the price right now. If I zoom out of that and we go onto Twitter and look at what's happened over the last day or so, we finally got a new exchange listing, which is the one we were waiting on. We knew SafeMoon was going to be listed on 2 exchanges last week. We only got the one because then they had issues with Bitmart and their reflections and had to help out the team in Bitmart. So now we finally got that new exchange listing today, which is on Bitrue Official, which is a very nice exchange in my opinion. And if we go onto their Twitter, they have 117,000 followers. And if we go onto CoinMarketCap and kind of understand how much volume there is on Bitrue on a daily basis, we see that they have $3.7 billion USDT on Bitrue every single day. So this is absolutely crazy. And if we learn a bit more about what this exchange is, we see that it was launched in 2018. Bitrue is an XRP-centric financial service platform with support for trading loans and investments. Bitrue aims to utilize blockchain technology to bring financial opportunities to everybody, regardless of their financial or regardless of their location or financial position. Bitrue is registered in Singapore with offices in Singapore, Silicon Valley, and Taiwan. So we do see that this is by no means no small exchange. It is trading $3.7 billion USDT every single day, which is absolutely great. And now SafeMoon is listed on it, and this is just another phenomenal exchange for SafeMoon to be listed on there. Now, if we go see where Bitrue is ranking amongst other exchanges on CoinMarketCap, I did sort it by volume, and if we scroll down here, get to Bitrue, it is ranked, it has a global rank of 79 on CoinMarketCap, and its exchange score is at 4.3, and we do see that it is one of the upper ones here for the total traded volumes in the last 24 hours. It is actually down 23%, but still at 3.7 billion USDT worth of trading volume over the last 24 hours. So by no means is it a small exchange, and this is another great piece of news for SafeMoon, and that is just adding another exchange to the lengthy list of exchanges we currently have. So the last thing I wanted to leave you guys on, and you guys are absolutely insane, I did create a poll yesterday and I said, yeah, you know what, which coin or token are you looking to buy right now? I had VeChain, I had Cardano, XRP, BTT, and then I said comment for others, and I kind of wanted you guys to think outside the box and not think SafeMoon. I should have said which coin other than SafeMoon, because I know everybody wants to invest in SafeMoon, but we clearly see that a lot of people are interested in Cardano and VeChain. But if we go look at the comments, you guys are absolutely insane. I knew this was going to happen. As soon as I saw one comment saying SafeMoon, I was like, oh no, I probably should have said besides SafeMoon. And we see that all the comments here are SafeMoon, 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 SafeMoon. And if it loads, SafeMoon, 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 SafeMoon. and you guys get the idea here. We got a lot of comments saying SafeMoon. So obviously you guys know that I love SafeMoon. I know you guys love SafeMoon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be continuing with these updates. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and found some value in it, make sure you smash the like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.